Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a quick warning for a start. It might be quite an excitable unboxing. I know a lot of my unboxings are quite excitable, and yes, it's going to be another unboxing, I'm sorry, but if you follow me on Twitter especially, you will know why it's excitable unboxing. But this will probably be even worse than normal, so if I get very excitable in this, please don't say I didn't warn you. Now, as you probably can tell by the thumbnail and the title, and also follow me on Twitter, you'll also know this is going to be an unboxing video of my brand new phone, the Huawei P30 Pro. It's been a real saga getting this phone. If you probably follow me on Twitter, yet again, you will know the saga. But I might do a video on it later on if you'd like to see it, where I go into more detail about everything that's happened. But yeah, it's been fun trying to get this phone. That's all I'm going to say for now. And also, I might also do another video as well talking about why I'm transferring to Huawei over my Samsung S8. I've had it for like 2 years now. So if you'd like to see that as well, please subscribe to my channel. Anyway, let's begin. This is how the P30 Pro will come. I actually got mine from Argos. Won't be doing that again. But I'm sure that it will come like this, in this kind of packaging, wherever you get it from anyway. So let's get this open now. It's going to open up nice and slowly on video. Okay, it's coming. I've not actually seen it yet, so this is really exciting. There it is, guys. There is the phone. Now, I've actually ordered it in the colour Breathing Crystal, I think it's called, or just Crystal, which is a really beautiful gradient shade of blue. I absolutely loved it, that's why I chose it. I'm going to show you it right now. It's a bit covered up with the packaging, but you can see it's like a really beautiful shade of like blue and blue and purple, that's what I meant, sorry. You can see like the purple at the bottom and a light blue at the top. So I'm going to take this bit off now to show you the colour properly. There's still some stuff on the back, so I'm not going to take all that off just yet, but as you can see, here is the colour. I'm going to put the camera up a little bit more so you can see it a bit better. If I lay it down, it looks a bit white, but if I pick it up, you can really see the beautiful gradient of purple and blue. That's actually made me really happy. It doesn't look as good in the camera, but it looks absolutely beautiful in my hand. I'm not going to lie to you, but yeah, here is the Breathing Crystal colour that I've got for Huawei P30 Pro. It also has from the back, it talks about how it's a Leica quad camera. I'm not sure what that means yet too much, but I know it's got a very good camera. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to look inside the box and see what else comes with it, and then we're going to talk about the phone in a little bit more detail. We've got a little box inside here, it's got something in it. It's just a quick start guide and warranty inside that little box. And obviously we've got the charger lead, again, not that exciting. It does also come with headphones as well. Now, the reason why this is important is because this is the first phone I've ever got that has no headphone jack. I was always very funny about getting a phone with a headphone jack, and the Huawei P30 has a headphone jack, but our Huawei P30 Pro does not. And as you can see here, there is no headphone jack, it's just a charger, and you put the headphone in with the charger. It doesn't seem to have come with an adapter, but it has come with headphones, so I have got headphones I can use with this. Sadly, I have to buy the adapter separately when I go running. For example, I've got special sports headphones I'd like to be able to use when I go running, so I have to buy a separate headphone adapter for those. It does come with headphones you can use, so it's not a major catastrophe. You do get some headphones with it. It's just a shame it doesn't come with the adapter like I thought it would. And of course, we have the plug as well for the charger. It does come with an on-screen fingerprint reader as well, but like I said, I'm not going to do any of this today in this video. I'm going to do like a proper review once I've actually used it a bit, which won't take me long because I use my phone all the time, so I'm sure it'll probably been a week I'll know everything about it. So if you'd like to see that, like I said before, please subscribe to me. Also, another thing I noticed because I ordered a case for it to come as well, and I'm going to go get that in a minute and show you guys the case. But when the case actually arrived and I opened it up, I didn't realise how much bigger this phone is to my current one. If I show you guys my current one, this is my current Samsung S8 phone. This is my Huawei P30 Pro, and if you look, it's kind of the same kind of width, but the P30 Pro is slightly bigger, so it might be a bit of an issue getting this into pockets and stuff. Like I could get these into pockets quite easily, but this might be a bit more of a struggle. It actually feels quite nice in my hand, so I don't think it's going to be as much problem as I thought it was going to be. I haven't tried putting it into any pockets yet, I admit. That's really only my main issue. That and obviously the headphone jack problem as well, but I decided to go for one of the headphone jacks simply because I heard this one is so much better than the P30, and I was like, let's just do it. Let's just take a risk and do it. Anyway, I'm going to get the case and we're going to finish the video. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so here we have the case. Now it's actually rose gold, but it could technically be classed as pink, which is one of the other reasons why I brought it. But the reason why it's Becky proof is because one, it's shock resistant and I'm always dropping things. In fact, just before I started filming this video, I actually dropped my little camera. So I'm very surprised it's still working. Yeah, it's shock resistant. And it's also on the back. I've never had a case like this before actually. Never thought of getting a case like this before either. It's got like a little ring on it. And you can put your finger through the ring. So when you're using your phone, it means that it won't fall out of my hands and break. I have also got these as well. These are screen protectors, like tampered glass screen protectors. So I'm really going all out this time. I don't know how I didn't think of getting one of these before. I'm so angry at myself, never used one of these before. But yeah, hopefully this time my phone screen will last longer than a few months. That's it, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed that. My first impressions of this phone are definitely good. Apart from the two major issues I've got with the phone I knew about anyway. I probably will do a video on the saga behind me getting this phone. Obviously now that I've got it, I can talk about it, but at the time it was very, very, very stressful for me. If you follow me on Twitter, you will have seen what happened, but I'll probably do a video on it anyway, just in case you didn't see what happened. I want to know what happened. And if you'd like to see any more of my content, like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to me down below. I hope you guys all had a great Easter, by the way, and I hope you all have a fantastic week as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.